everyone. The Odoo website product stock with a bill of material kit app let you display a real-time stock on your e-commerce store. Show in stock, out of stock tag, and track product kits based on the bill of material. Easily configure stock visibility and improve end customer experience effortlessly. After installing this module, now let's get into the settings. Now let's set up the configuration part. To complete the configurations, we need to get into the website. We have an stock type configuration. Now let's choose an on-hand quantity here, and you can see a stock location can be selected in this tab. Now let's save this one. In the website, now it shows based on an on-hand quantity. Okay. Now let's get into the inventory to see all the stocks which are available in our system. So now let's get into the first one. Now this is a product where you can see there is an on-hand quantity of 16 units in our hand. Now let's get into the website. The main thing is there is a no bill of material for this product. It's a unique product. Okay. Now you can see the product and where you can see the stock. It is in stock whether we have only 16 quantities. Now if user tries to purchase more than the 16 quantity, it will show a warning like you cannot add more than the available quantity. Okay. Now let's get to the back. Now you can see there is a bill of material. There is no bill of material. In case if the product with a bill of material. Okay. So you can see I have created a bill of material where the product of the components has a quantity. Okay. There is a quantity for a bill of material. Now in case if the product has a quantity and the unit of measure like in the main product you can see on hand quantity will be 10. So if the product component have the quantity, let me get into the website. You can see the quantity of the product will be 10 units because the component have the units. Okay, now in case, let's get into the wood product. So this product have a quantity, one quantity. But if I get into an bill of material, you can see that there is a one component. So for that component, there is a no on-hand quantity left. So if we get into the website of the specific product, it shows out of stock because there is a no component quantity will be available. Okay, so it shows the on-hand quantity will be in out of stock even if you have the on-hand quantity for the product. So let me change the settings to an available quantity. Like it shows only the available quantity, like what we exactly have in our hand. Let me explain you better. So for that, let's get into the product. So this is the product with a quantity of 50 in our hand. But if we remove all the filter, you can see that in the reserved state, there will be two quantities will be in the reserved quantity. So the actual quantity in our hand will be 48. The two quantities not yet received. Now let's get into the website. So if I get into the website, you can see that the actual quantity will be 48 units. Now, if user tries to purchase 50 or something, no, we couldn't able to purchase because the actual quantity is for 48 as per the configurations that we have made. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.